accidentally knocked something.
Oh no.
Whoa!
What? Whoa.
It's Ryan.
It's Ryan. Ryan, Robo Ryan's here. Tiger, look.
Whoa!
Wow, how did he get here?
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Then here. Oh, that's cool. Try it, Tiger. Let's see. Yeah, try it. Okay, don't fall, okay?
I can't do it.
You can't do it? No, that's too small. I mean, that's too small for Daddy. Oh, look at the rope. You climb down. Yeah. Tiger, okay, here, get on here. Let's see if you can make it. Okay, let's see if the Tiger can make it.
Oh, okay.
Tiger, what you told Dad earlier?
Oh yeah, I found a secret door to Ryan's house.
You did? Where?
It's somewhere right there.
Where? Okay, let's check it out. Come on.
But I can't.
Come on.
Can I help
Jump.
you?
Okay, jump. I'll hold you. Ready? Jump. Yeah. Okay, where's that?
Wait, well, how you do this though?
Okay, come on.
Oh, I see. It's right here.
Oh, it's right here?
Oh
yeah.
That's right.
Where are we going? Tiger, here. Look at that. It's make music.
Where is it going?
I think that's what it. Ready? Here you go. Make music for ready? Tiger, you ready to jump? You ready to go? Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Here you go. Tiger, I think we're here.
Whoa!
Whoa! I can't see. It's blurry. I can't see anything. Tiger, wake up. We're here, Tiger. Let's
Don't
go.
worry.
I think we're at Ryan's house. Shh. Okay, shh. What? That's Ryan's water. Tiger. Oh, shh. It's all good? Nia gone? He's gone?
Hello? I don't hear him.
Wait! Wow, we're at Ryan's house. Wow! Look at that! Wow! Look at that, kid. Tiger, look at this. Wow! Look at this room here. Tiger, what happened? What do you have that with you, Tiger? What is that? What do you bring that for, Tiger? Get back. Tiger, let's put it back in the closet. What are you doing?
That's for my protection.
Tiger, let's check it out, Tiger. Tiger, come on. Whoa! Look at this, kid. Wow! Look at this, Tiger. Tiger, you got, oh, look at, oh, wow. So,
Oh!
Tiger, what are you carrying around with you?
Don't worry, I got this.
Oh, you got this? Okay. Whoa, look at this backyard. Wow. A big backyard. Wow. Tiger. Okay, put it back. Tiger, look at the kitchen. It's beautiful. Wow. Awesome kitchen. Oh. Tiger. Shh. Come on, Tiger. Before they come. Tiger.
Accidentally knocked.
Oh no.
Whoa!
What? Whoa.
It's Ryan.
It's Ryan. Ryan, Robo Ryan's here. Tiger, look.
Whoa!
Wow, how did he get here?
Wait, he's a plushie.
Yeah. Let's go upstairs and check it out. Come on, I'll hold for you. Let's go upstairs.
Hold on, let me fix it.
What are you doing?
Fix.
Oh, Tiger.
Fix.
I can fix it. I fix it before they come. They'll notice that we came to the house. Okay, let's go. Go upstairs. Okay, wait for Daddy. Wait for Daddy. Wow, they're like Bond. Wow.
What is it?
Wow, this is a movie theater. This is where they entertain themselves. Right here, Tiger, look. Wow, this is where they sit and watch TV. Bingo! Okay.
Wait.
This one is nothing. No, this one.
No, wait.
And 30.
My classmates
And
has
37.
My classmates has these at school.
Oh, really?
We play
Bingo?
games of them every day.
Every day?
Yeah, after we come back.
Bingo?
Bingo. We spin the wheel.
Yes, in a row. Oh. Tiger, no more, Tiger, no more. That's it, Tiger. What are you doing? Tiger. Let's pick it up. Come on.
Oh, what happened?
Let's pick it up. You just, you know what? I put it here. There you go.
How did they come out?
They come out here, that little thing. Yeah.
Wait, but I thought it comes out from here.
Yeah, it comes off from there, but you gotta put it on here. There you go. Bingo! All right, Tiger, let's go.
Hey, how do people put it in? Oh, yes.
Come on, Tiger. Let's check out the room.
I kind of messed it up.
Yeah, you did. Whoa, this is the parents' room, Tiger. Wow, whoa, whoa. That's a nice bedroom. Tiger, let's go. Come on. Whoa, this is where, look at Ryan's parents. Tiger, the closet is that. Tiger, come here. Yeah, a closet. Look at the closet right here.
Whoa.
See? I see you, Tiger. What are you doing? Tiger. Wow, look at the restroom, Tiger. Wow, this is where to take a bath. This is where to take a bath, Tiger. Look. Tiger, come here. Come on, this is where to take a bath.
Whoa!
See that? That's where Ron take a bath with it. See? Let's go, Tiger. Turn off, come on. Come on, Tiger. No, turn off. Let's go.
There you go. Oh, okay.
Let's go. Come on. Look at this. Oh, look at that backyard. It's huge.
Ooh,
Wow.
shower.
Yeah, this is where to take a shower.
Did it go like...
Yeah, take a shower right there. Yeah, see?
Oh.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's close it. Okay, let's go. Let's go see the next room. Go see Ryan's room.
What's this? I never...
Is a closet? Yeah, it's a closet. Oh, there's a room in here, Tiger. Oh, this is sister's room in here. Wow.
Wow. Wait, is this his room?
Yeah. This is Ryan's room. Look at the bike and stuff. He loved the bike. What time is it?
Wait. It's gotta be... done.
Oh, let's go. Cute. That is the best. Tiger, look.
What is this?
It's Ryan's toy. How Ryan's toy? Ryan's toy's here.
I think he washed up from here.
Oh, wow. Look, kids, we found Ryan's roll toy.
What happened?
Someone.
Done.
Oh, let's go to the closet. Let's go.
No, that one right there.
Okay, let's go that way. Go that way.
But this one actually has none room.
Okay. Go to
That one.
Let's go this one.
Because this one... Wait, what?
Let's go this one.
Oh, yeah. Wait, no.
Yeah, let's go. Go. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa, Tiger, we're here. Whoa, Tiger, you're still spinning. What are you doing, Tiger? Tiger, we're here. We're back now. Tiger. Tiger, we're back now. Tiger, we're back now. Tiger, we're back now. Get out! What are you doing? Get off! We're back now. Oh, Tiger, look! Yeah, Tiger, look! Go to see what there.
I can't see.
Okay, that was fine. Okay, Tiger, we came back from Ryan's house and Tiger was still spinning on that. Okay, this one, Tiger. This one, grass seat. Grass seat. Here. Grass seat. Okay, here you go. Here you go.
That's hot.
It's hot. You go back on again? Come on, that was fun. What do you like about Ryan's house?
I don't know. I can't see.
He's dizzy now. Wow, we went to Ryan's house and then we'll be back. Wow.
All right, here we go.
You go back in? Okay, here you go.
But not fast.
Okay, not fast. Okay, here you go. Here you go. My hand,
not fast.
There you go. Here you go. My hand, you hang on tight. Okay, hang on tight.
No.
Hang on tight. Okay. Hang on tight, Tiger. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Whoa. What'd you say, Tiger? That's it. What'd you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like me. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Whoa.